Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see post of private Insta account without following. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping your profile icon on the lower right corner. And here you will be able to find some profiles that may be private accounts. So I'm heading over to this one. So as you can see, this account is private. It is showing me it in here that this account is private. So if we know that this person have visited a specific place recently and they have posted something on their Insta about it, so what we need to do is just to head over to the search section right here and then just search for the specific place and want to search for this one. So once you are okay with it, in this place you can see many people have posted, and if you scroll down you can find their post too. So it means that whether your account is private or public, um, regardless, your post will be visible to everyone if you just tag a place on your post. So yeah, this is how you can find post of private Insta account without following. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.